Once upon a time, computers were stupid. They were just dull machines following a list of instructions in a very fast way. So it needed programmers who worked hard to come up with codes and algorithms. We thought the computer with human intelligence was just around the corner. But we were wrong. There were seemingly simple problems which we just did not know how to write an algorithm for. So we found out that humans were thinking and learning in a different way. It took a long time until computers were fast enough to beat us in certain tasks of thinking. But when Deep Blue beat Kasparov in chess, it was just testing the possible results of any move. It did not really have plans or strategies on its own. Could we call this thinking? Basically nothing had changed. Computers were faster and we needed programmers to write code. They were still stupid. There was another game which seemed impossible to play for computers. Because there were more possible board combinations than atoms in the universe. Go. There was no way to try all moves. If you asked professional Go players why they chose a move, they sometimes said they saw a pattern, it just felt right. So how could we describe a task with unknown strategy to a machine when we did not even know how we do it ourselves? Then we found out you don't. Let the machine learn in the same way as we do, by trial and error. So we created deep neural networks, which were able to improve this way. Soon we managed to build a system that could, just by watching a lot of games, figure out how to play. We called it AlphaGo. After some time it was even able to beat the Grandmaster Lee Sedol. And it even taught us new ways to play the game. Systems like this began to pop up everywhere. They learned to create and understand images, generate speech and text, control robots, construct molecules and architecture, and organize social media. Then we found out you did not even have to train them yourself. You let them compete against themselves or each other. We also modified AlphaGo to play against itself. We called it AlphaGo Zero. Without learning from real games, just by starting from scratch with the rules of the game, within 40 days it was able to play Go on a level no human would be able to imagine. Out of interest, we introduced chess to AlphaGo Zero. After 4 hours, it was already capable of beating the world's best algorithm for playing chess. Sometimes it found a move very quickly, because it just felt right. Mankind knew that soon it will create its last invention, by creating something that is better in doing the thing that made it conquer the earth, and there would be no way around it. So we looked back at our first invention, not knowing what exactly was ahead of us. But we knew that some people alive at that time would live to see it. I'm Mourn1415 and the real world is incredible.